me, Prez, and welcome back to Improving Masculinity. Today I want to share a powerful scene from Gladiator where Maximus inspires his fellow gladiators to do great things. Check it out.
Whatever comes out of these gates, we've got a better chance of survival if we work together. You understand? We stay together, we survive.
This is a powerful reminder that true masculinity involves leadership, teamwork, and unity. It's about understanding that we are stronger together and that supporting each other through challenges can lead to greater success and survival. Let's take this lesson to heart and strive to be men who can lead with strength, inspire unity, and work together to overcome many obstacles.